find peace.
The strength. Heaven surge. Break! Just a scratch.
Reach the end of the story in your own way.
Sense a storm. Heaven surge. Rise!
Not even nap time.
Reach the end of the story in your own way. So that's how it works. Looks good. Nice. Is that all?
Not each other.
Hope you're prepared. The strength. not be afraid. Heaven surge. Rise! Awaken, dormant skin. World cleansing dragon. Rules are made to be broken. The name of Landa, will forged in ice, never falters. Is that all?
Nap time.
He sent a storm. Heaven surge. Break! Let's go. The strength. Heaven surge. Rise! Let's make it quick.
Time for a shot. Nap time.
He sent a storm. Awaken, dormant world cleansing dragon. Find peace. This could serve you well.
Welcome, Astral Expressors.
Admit it, Kafka. You planned for us to come here.
I didn't plan anything. It was the future. We interfere on countless future possibilities and make the best future a reality. You speak too highly of us, Welt. The Stellaron Hunters are merely Destiny's slaves.
Best future? Best for who? As if you'd consider—
If I said best for the universe, would you believe me? Best for me, naturally.
We're taking you to see the General of the Law Fu. You can—
Oh, thanks, but no thanks. We don't have much time. If I were you, I'd make a move.
Do not be afraid. Heaven surge. Celestial dragon. Break!
Not so fast. Feeling a little dizzy?
Naughty child. Just in time. Just a little something.
Not a threat. Rules are made to be broken.
That's better.
Do not fret. It'll heal.
Something for everybody. Ready? Finally.
rudimentary. Your every move has been foreseen by the Omniscient. Fishwin, Divination Commission. I'll be taking the criminal from here. Greetings, crew of the Astral Express. This is our first encounter. Though given that I have encountered you in foresight, perhaps I should say the second. I am Fu Xuan, Master Divine. Far-flung friends ought to be received with fine wine. But alas, the heavens, earth, and body are not aligned for such an occasion. You'll allow for postponement of the usual formalities, I trust? What the actual... If the method of my speech is...
We received an assignment from General Jing Yuan to arrest the Stellaron Hunter. Thank you, Diviner.
Essential. I hold a proclamation from the General here, if you care to see. Upon detaining the Stellaron Hunter, questioning and all further arrangements are to be undertaken by the Divination Commission.
Did the General just spare us a walk with Kafka?
Understood. However, the General promised that all intel would be shared with us. We have a right to know anything that Kafka...
Oh? That guy. Can I go one day with...
We won't make things any more complicated than they need.
Very well. Urgency demands fluid...
Can't we do the questioning here? The Stellaron Hunters are slippery. What if she...
While I am here, she will not escape. The time has arrived.
Let's disembark here, benefactors.
I may live in relative seclusion, but I can recognize my own territory. Why did you bring us here? Does this look like the Divination Commission to you?
No need to yell, Master Diviner. The Meridian Pen is malfunctioning, and I couldn't find the entrance to the delve. I wanted to get us straight to our destination, but this is the only place I could dock the star skiff. Look, Exalting Sanctum. This is a safe place. Let's just walk the rest of the way from here.
Our hexagrammatic position is fluctuating between the Martian water trigrams. The vessel is stranded and the way is blocked.
I heard the Xianzhou can tell your fortune. Is that how they do it? Anyone can count on their fingers. That's been out of fashion for hundreds of amber...
I just performed some quick divination, and the hexagram is consistent with our current predicament. The star skiff cannot take us to the Divination Commission today. Alas, without me in charge to handle the Stellaron crisis, I dare not...
It's true. The Divination Commission really...
That's why you have to develop your talent pool. Otherwise, everything falls apart when you go...
Since you are clearly ignorant of the Commission's internal affairs, I shall absolve you of your ridiculous remarks. I'm going ahead to make some inquiries. Goodbye. The prisoner must follow me every step of the way. This is Jing Yuan's order.
You might not want to hear this, but your general gave us his word.
You think too little of me. My word is my bond. I will stick to my promise, even if to have this prisoner speak, the Commission must resort to unconventional means, the nature of which is confidential and cannot be disclosed. Forgive me. But I can assure you that the questioning will not begin until you arrive, even if that means wasting precious time. I have appointed someone to wait for you in front of Exalting Sanctum Plaza.
Oh? I think I offended... You do it next time.
Don't take it to heart, March. Miss Fushen seems like a reasonable...
Really? not.
Okay, enough chit-chat. I reckon that...
Yeah! That star skiff was pretty cool. There must be loads of interesting things.
My dad is an ace pilot!
All remains as it did yesterday.
shot.
Heaven surge. Break!
Nap time.
The strength.
Let's make it quick.
I sent a storm. Heaven surge. Rise! The strength. Heaven surge. Break! Awaken, dormant scale. World cleansing dragon.
This is our chance.
This ends here. Heaven surge. Rise! Heaven surge. Break!
Let's go.
Is that all?
Just a little something. And nothing else.
You have my gratitude. The consequences are mine to bear. What a Heaven surge. Rise!
Let's make it quick.
Rules are made to be broken. The consequences are mine to bear.
Naughty child. Nap time.
This could serve you well.
That's the plaza. But I can't.
What's going on with him?
What is that?
Everybody, stay back! Give him this medicine and make him lie down. I mean, make them lie down.
I sense a storm. Heaven surge. Rise!
Let's go.
Time for a shot.
The strength.
That'll teach you a lesson. Ready to lie down now? Thanks for helping to stabilize the patients. Your assertive sedation techniques are quite effective. Assertive sedation techniques? Does she mean beating people up? However, these Cloud Knights were already sick, and now they're injured too. I've got to bandage up their wounds, realign their bones. Ugh, as if I didn't have enough on my plate. Where did you come from, little one? Is your dad I don't have a dad. What if I don't have a mom either? I get it. You think because I'm small, I must be a runaway child. Welcome to the Xian Show, my short-lived outsider friends. Appearances can be deceiving here. The Vidyadhara race is self-reincarnating. No mom or dad required. I've been studying the art of healing ever since I cast off my old shell. You're looking at a recognized, practicing, dedicated doctor. Bellabog kids are making snowmen, while children here are writing prescriptions. Things haven't been very peaceful in the lawful recently. Go running around, right? Well, your general gave a... Well, seeing as you saved me just now, if you're unlucky enough to acquire any breaks or sprains, I'll treat you for free. As for medicine, I'll give you a 20% discount. Ha! Do you have any idea how many people in the lawful... If I hadn't left my purse at home, I wouldn't have to... Enough of that. I have patients to see. Our little miracle worker seems very different from everyone else around. Don't you think, Mr. Yang?
So this is the Vidyadhara. I've only ever read about them. They're known as the Dragon race. Not hard to see why.
I heard the knights affected by the...
Don't scare your...
That's the best.
What else am I besides?
According to his...
Everyone, please remain calm. If you feel we... I want to say it's all in a day's work.
When it rains, it pours. Oh, my apologies. And technically speaking, if the port... Oh, that reminds me. Very well.
Excuse me, fella. Hold on, it was only thanks to your help earlier that the Dragon Lady and those Exalting Sanctum residents got away The Dragon Lady of the Alchemy Commission.
You mean the child?
Friend in the Skyfaring Commission told me the General commissioned guests to deal with the troubles on the Lawfu. If you don't mind, I hope you can take the time to come to the Realm Keeping Commission.
What does that mean? It's like one of those messages that...
That's enough.
Hurry up, Chingcha. We'll be fossils by the time you're finished.
I heard there was a disaster in the Divination Commission's delve? I'm surprised you're in the mood.
Even if the sky was gonna collapse on the Divination Commission, the Master Diviner would be there to hold it up. But she lacks in height. Anyway, I didn't come here just to play. She ordered me to wait here for our guests. Time is... It's the place in the photo, all right. Is this a games parlor? Isn't this hand a problem? Oh, hi there! I can tell just by looking at you that you're the Divination Commission's guests. I know, I'm sorry. I was going to wait for you by the statue, but... Ah! Triplet! But folks from the Realm Keeping Commission descended on the area. It's too loud over there now. Pass! So I thought to myself, wouldn't it be better to meet somewhere quieter? And wouldn't that be more fun, too? Better to show you the real Exalting Sanctum and introduce you to a true Xianzhou pastime. Victory! Now that my wish has been fulfilled, there's nothing... I must apologize for your long wait, honored guests.
It wasn't too long. Seeing your enthusiasm for this Celestial Jade game has stoked my curiosity.
I'm glad to hear it. You clearly have excellent taste. If you're interested, I can show you how to play. It's great fun. Ah, look.
It's an ancient tree. We call it the Ambrosial Arm.
I didn't know the Skyfaring Commission were history buffs. Not bad. Younger generations usually don't know much about it. It's said that the Ambrosial Arbor is from a distance.
It means the tree was as tall as the sky and stars hung from its branches.
So, how big was it? Bigger than the Express? Stars hung from its branches. Exactly. But anyway, it's just a legend. I see this view every day on... Let's go.
I don't
Get your extractor cleaned or your stars get...
We're almost there, everyone. Stay close. Just a heads up, please don't go running off once we're inside. You may be the Master Diviner's guests, but she hates people who don't abide by rules and regulations. Oh, and people who ask too many questions, not to mention... Please, don't push her buttons.
We're just here for the questioning. We'll leave as soon as it's over.
Let me guess, the gate. I don't understand. It's never been locked before. Hey! I know the food here sucks, but that's no reason to shut the gate on a... Are you really from the divination? No way. She's already demoted me to managing the repository. There's no need to panic, okay? This isn't the only entrance into the divination. Here it is. Ugh, Stellaron corrosion. Great. This gate won't open either. We've kept the Master Diviner waiting. No doubt she'll... I knew I'd offended that Diviner. That's why she sent this...
Miss Qingqi, if you don't mind, may I...
Huh? Oh, no need. Let me show you. This thing... You're amazing, Mr. Yang. You handled that well for an outsider. I officially hand over the title of Keeper of... anyone here...
Here comes trouble.
Can't we...
Surge. Rise!
This ends here.
The consequences are mine to bear.
Sorry, the Cloud Knights have orders from the Master Diviner to secure the... This could serve you well.
This is the Matrix of Prescience.
We've heard the term Jade Abacus a few times now. Would you mind?
A Jade Abacus. That's a good question, Mr. Yang. The book, Glimpses into the Beyond, describes it as living jade engraved with symbols for just like engraving a seal. The craftsmen of the Xianzhou Artisanship Commission carve faint symbols into pieces of jade and then insert them into machines to get them to operate according to a certain... Some jade abacuses are small enough to fit inside bracelets and jewelry. We put the bigger ones into instruments of calculation, so we can take the Matrix of Prescience here as an example. As long as sufficient information is provided, it can answer questions on anything. From the evolution of natural phenomena to the They say the theory behind the symbols was handed down by Noose, the Wisdom Walker. The principles are so profound that in the Divination Commission, only the Master Diviner truly understands.
Seems like it.
But Jade, besides, ordinary computers don't have cool backstories. Even in Madame Herta's space station. I never... Anyway, don't dwell on names. As long as the machine works, what does it matter whether it's a Jade abacus or a computer? Just like today. Would it have mattered if Baichue had brought you here instead of Qingchue? It makes no difference at all. We're almost at the Matrix of Prescience core. The Master Diviner should...
What is the crowd song?
Diviner Fu.
We're fluctuating between the heaven and thunder trigrams. A step forward bridges no...
And for those who don't speak Fu Shen?
It's an utter disaster. The Matrix of Prescience has stopped operating, and the symbols have dimmed. There are Stellaron spirits wreaking havoc inside the Commission, and the Cloud Knights are struggling to protect civilians. I want hand on top of all of that, General. We still have to deal with the Stellaron hunter you handed to...
But you're Fu Shen, the seer. The boundless, omniscient...
You don't need to flatter me, General. It's natural for fortune to... The Divination Commission simply does its best to uncover the good and the bad and then make the right decisions.
And that is precisely why we need you in charge. When it comes to handling clairvoyant Stellaron hunters, who better than Fu Shen the seer? As for reinforcements, you didn't think I'd... Look, help has just arrived.
Master Diviner, I brought you the guests. Though, it wasn't your order I received. So, General, even guests are on the payroll these days?
Well, since they're here already, I may as well make use of them.
Entering the Matrix of Prescience without my permission is a would be an ungracious thing to say in the present circumstances. Qingchue is often unreliable, but she comes through for us when the need arises. It's nice to have people I can entrust with difficult matters. I'm not like the General, and you don't even belong to my commission. No need for the formalities. We heard what the... Very well. Yes, but you needn't. Qingchue will accompany you. Psst. The universal one? Good.
This ends here.
Let's go.
That'll take more than
Weaken
medicine.
World cleansing dragon. Hope you're prepared. Heaven surge. Break. The consequences are mine to bear. Heaven surge. Rise. This is our chance.
That'll take more than medicine. Nap time.
The strength. Heaven surge. Break. All manner of mystic arts have their own mystic